Hello everyone, welcome back to the another interesting maths class. Students, in this class you are going to learn about the cubes and the cube roots. This is quite similar to the square and square roots which you have studied in previous chapter. So firstly we will recall what are square and the square roots. So square. Firstly we will understand about the square. What is square? If any base has power 2, अगर कोई भी बेस है और उसकी पावर क्या है 2 है, then we say this is square. Like 2 square, 3 square, x square, y square, all these numbers variables have power 2. If the power is 2 we will read it as square, right? What does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या होता है? If we have 2 square, it means we will multiply 2 times. If we have 3 square, it means we will multiply 3 2 times. Why 2 times? Because the power is 2. Power means the number of times we are multiplying that number. कितने times multiply कर रहे हैं? Clear? If we have 19 square, it means we will multiply 19 by itself 2 times. On the right hand side, let us understand about the cubes, right? What are cube and cube roots? If any base has power 3, then we call it as cube, right? Square में क्या था? Power was 2, but cube में क्या है? Power is 3. Clear? For example, 2 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 3, x raised to the power 3, y raised to the power 3, and so on, right? These are cubes. We will read them as 2 cube, 3 cube, x cube, y cube, right? And its meaning क्या है? 2 cube means power is 3 ना? It means we will multiply 2 by itself 3 times. राइट जितनी भी पावर होती है उतने टाइम्स ही मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. 3 क्यूब मीन्स वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 टाइम्स. y क्यूब मीन्स वी विल मल्टीप्लाई y 3 टाइम्स. राइट सो फ्रॉम हियर दिस इज क्लियर दैट इफ पावर इज 2 we will read it as square. If power is 3 we will read it as cube. Like in square 2 square, 3 square, x square, y square, and in cube 2 cube, 3 cube, y cube, x. In square power is 2, so we multiply the number by itself 2 times, but in cubes power is 3, so we multiply the number itself 3 times. Now this was about square and the cube, right? Now we understand about the square root and the cube root. So firstly recall square roots. Square root you have already studied. The symbol of square root is this, right? If you want to find the square root of 9, you will write like this. Square root of 100 like this. Square root of 81 like this. Clear? Similarly, symbol of cube root is this is quite similar. क्यूब रूट में ऐसे हो जाता है बट द डिफरेंस इज वी हैव हियर 3, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8, राइट? क्यूब रूट ऑफ 1000. Clear? So this is the symbol of square root and this is the symbol of cube root. नेक्स्ट वी अंडरस्टैंड हाउ डू वी फाइंड स्क्वायर रूट एंड क्यूब रूट. स्क्वायर रूट में आपके पास 2 मेथड्स थे, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन एंड लॉन्ग डिवीजन. बट इन क्यूब रूट यू हैव जस्ट वन मेथड विच इज प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. राइट? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में आप क्या करते हैं? यू सिंपली फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स. स्क्वायर में पावर 2 थी ना, सो यू मेक द पेयर ऑफ 2. but in cube root power is 3. Cube का मतलब क्या है 3, right? Power is 3. So in cube root after finding the prime factor 3 का triplet बनाएंगे आप. And long division method I have also explained in previous video. You can check that from the playlist, right? Now just understand prime factorization to find the square root and the cube root. Suppose you want to find the square root of 81 using prime factorization method. So you will find the prime factors first. This is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So you can write it as under root 81 is equals to under root 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now make the pair of 2 because square का मतलब ही होता है power 2. तो square root में 2 2 का pair बनेगा, right? Now from each pair when you will come out from the symbol you will take only one digit. 3 multiply 3, 9. So the square root of 81 is 9. Now let's understand how we will find the cube root. Cube root कैसे find out करेंगे? For example, you have 125 here. You want to find its cube root because so firstly find the prime factors of 125. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So cube root of 125 is equals to, in the symbol of cube root, write these values. ये value लिख देते हैं prime factors which we have found. So write here 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Now the difference is students यहाँ पर आपने pair बनाया था 2 2 का because square means power is 2. But in cube root you will make the pair of 3. Cube root में आप क्या करेंगे 3 का pair बनाएंगे. Why? Because here this is 3. Cube का मतलब ही होता है power is 3. Clear? So from the triplet of this 3, इस 3 के triplet में से आप क्या करेंगे single 5 को निकालेंगे, right? So this is your answer. So now you all have clear the difference between square root and cube root. Till now we just have recalled the square root and we have compared that with the cube and cube root. Now we will understand cube and cube root with some examples. So first question is find the cubes of the following. Cubes means power will be 3. So 400 raised to the power 3. इसका मतलब क्या है 400 will be multiplied by itself how many times? 3 times because power is 3. Right? So multiply them. 4 4s are 16. 4s are 64. And how many zeros you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 3 4 5 6. When you will multiply these numbers, what do you get? You get this number. So your answer is 6,40,000. Let's solve the next part. They are asking for the cubes. So minus 4 upon 9 raised to the power 3. Cube means 3. It means minus 4 upon 9 will be multiplied by itself 3 times because power is 3. Multiply the numerators. 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64 upon 9 9s are 81. 81 9s are 9 1s are 9, 9 8s are 72, 729, and sign will be negative. Why? Because in this minus sign is occurring odd number of times. So this is your answer. Next, first of all this is given in mixed में given है तो पहला step क्या है change this mixed into the improper. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5 19 upon 7. Now you want to find its cube. Cube root नहीं निकालना students, cube निकालना है, right? So cube means power is 3. It means this 19 upon 7 will be multiplied by itself 3 times. मल्टीप्लाई दीज न्यूमरेटर्स, न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करिए. When you will multiply these numerators, you will get 6859. Similarly, multiply these denominators, and when you will multiply these denominators, you will get 343. So this is your answer. Next part, fourth part, you want to find the cube of minus 2.4. So its power will be 3. It means minus 2.4 will be multiplied by itself 3 times because the power is 3. First of all, avoid minus sign and the decimal. अवॉइड करते हैं. सिंपल 24 को 24 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसको 24 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, राइट. व्हेन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई देम यू विल गेट 13,824. Now we will put the decimal. We have one decimal place here, one decimal place here, one decimal place here. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Right? So total we have 3 decimal places. So we will put decimal before 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Right? We will put decimal here and minus sign is also occurring odd number of times. So the resultant will be minus. Right? So what is your answer? Minus 13.824. This is your answer. Now let's find the cube of this 0.001. इसका cube find out करते हैं. Cube means we will multiply this number 3 times because power is 3. Now avoid decimal. If you will avoid decimal, this 0.001, if you remove decimal, it becomes 0001 and this is also equals to 1, right? ये 1 की इक्वल ही है because 09 जब मैम आपको मार्क्स देती हैं 09, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 9 ना. जब होल नंबर्स में स्टार्टिंग में जीरोज आ जाते हैं तो उनकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है, राइट. सो 1 मल्टीप्लाई 1 मल्टीप्लाई 1 1 को कितने टाइम्स भी मल्टीप्लाई करो 1 ही मिलेगा. नाउ काउंट द डेसिमल प्लेसेस. In this we have 3 decimal places because after decimal we have 3 digits. In this also we have 3 decimal places. In this also we have 3 decimal places. So total decimal places are 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. So we will put decimal before 9 digits. 1, we have only 1 digit, so put 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So we will put decimal here. So this is equals to 0.12345678 9, right? And you can also write it as 0.00000001, right? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स चेक योर आंसर. एक बार अपना आंसर चेक कर लीजिए. 1 1 ज़ा 1 ही था. आफ्टर डेसिमल वी शुड हैव 9 डेसिमल प्लेसेस. तो चेक कर लेते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. सो आवर आंसर इज करेक्ट. दिस इज आवर आंसर. So students, in first question you have studied that how you can find the cube of any number. Now in this question they are asking which of the following are perfect. हमें बताना है परफेक्ट क्यूब कौन से हैं. सो फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं. चेक करते हैं इज इट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब और नॉट. टेक 64. फर्स्टली फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स. 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 1 इज रिमेनिंग, 2 6 ज़ा 12, 2 8 ज़ा 16, 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 1 ज़ा 2. सो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज how many times we are getting to 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. now make the triplet 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 3 का ट्रिपलेट बना दिया, राइट. now This is cube root now. These three we will take 1 2, and from these three we will take 1 2. 2 2s are 4. So cube root of 64 is 4. So we could find the cube root of 64. 64 का cube root तो हम निकाल पाए, which is 4. So we can say that this number is the perfect cube. ये number क्या है? Perfect cube है. Let's check for this one. इसके लिए check करते हैं. 864. This is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. Again by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Again by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So cube root of this 864. Cube root. How many times we are getting to? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Now make the triplet 1 2 3 1 2 3. We are not able to make the triplet of these two because one more 2 is required. एक और 2 आएगा तभी जाके हम triplet बना सकते हैं. So one more 2 is required, right? Since one more 2 is required to make triplet, so this is not a perfect cube, right? So similarly, firstly of all these numbers, आप इन numbers का क्या निकालेंगे? Prime factorization के through factors निकालेंगे. Then you will make the pair of 3 3s. Triplet बनाएंगे. If you are able to make the triplet, then yes, that is a perfect cube. If triplet cannot be made out of those factors, then those numbers are not perfect cube. Next question number 3. What is the smallest number by which, students, this is 675, should be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube? 675 को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि दैट वी गेट दी परफेक्ट क्यूब? सो पहले इसकी प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकाल लेते हैं. सो दिस इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. 1 is remaining. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining. 3 5s are 15. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So this is the symbol of cube root 675. Now how many times we are getting 3? 3 times. 1 2 3. And 5 we are getting 2 times. Now try to make triplets. 1 2 3 1 2. We cannot make the triplet of this. To make the triplet we have to multiply it by 5. अगर इसका ट्रिपलेट बनाना है तो एक और 5 होना चाहिए, मतलब उससे मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहिए. एंड जब ट्रिपलेट बनेगा तभी जाके ये नंबर क्यूब रूट होगा. सो विद विच नंबर वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई? बाय 5, राइट? वन मोर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 675 by 5 to make it a perfect cube. Clear? Next question. What is the smallest number by which this should be divided? स्टूडेंट्स चाहे वो आपसे मल्टीप्लाइड पूछें चाहे डिवाइड पूछें, फर्स्ट स्टेप आपको उनके प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं, राइट? सो फर्स्टली फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस 2916. दिस इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, सो कट इट. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. By 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So this can be written as, this is the symbol of cube root, 2916. How many times we are getting? 2, 1 2, and 3 we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now try to make triplets. You cannot make the triplet of this 2 because you need one more 2. आपको एक और 2 की need है, right? So triplet, triplet. Now students, this time they said divided, मतलब नंबर को स्मॉलर बनाना है, डिवाइड करना है, जो एक्स्ट्रा होगा उससे डिवाइड कर देंगे, देन वी विल गेट द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. अगर मल्टीप्लाइड आता तो आप यहाँ पर इससे मल्टीप्लाई करके आप इसको कंसीडर करते, राइट? बट नाउ दे आर आस्किंग, उन्होंने क्या पूछा है? दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट द डिवाइडेड, बाय विच नंबर दिस शुड बी डिवाइडेड. सो ये पोर्शन एक्स्ट्रा है, 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2, सो इट मीन्स द नंबर शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय 4. अगर हम 2916 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो योर आंसर इज 4. This is your answer. Next question, question number 5. Write cubes of 5 natural numbers which are multiple of 3. पहले 3 के मल्टीपल ही निकाल लेते हैं. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 is the multiple. 5 said ना, they said 5, so 5 निकालते हैं. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. These are the multiple of 3. 3 के multiple हैं ये सब. Now they said to find the cubes. 3 का cube find out करते हैं. 3 cube means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Next, 6 cube means 6 raised to the power 3. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6, power is 3 na, so we are multiplying 3 times, so this is equals to 216. Similarly, cube of 9, 9 raised to the power 3, 9 multiply 9 multiply 9, 9 9s are 81, 9s are 729. Similarly, cube of 12, 12 raised to the power 3, 12 multiply 12 multiply 12, so 12 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, you will get 144. एक और बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है, you will get 1728, right? So this is 1728. Next, cube of 15, 15 multiply 15 multiply 15, and when you will multiply them, you will get 3375, right? So these are the number which are perfect cube and are multiple of 3. ये perfect cube भी है और 3 के multiple भी हैं. So this is your answer. So students, in this class you have learned about cube and cube root. In next class also we will do some questions. We will learn more about the cube and cube roots. Till then, keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.